Going to move a little bit of firewood today, and naturally if I walk outside and even look at this thing wrong, you can see I blew another hose on it. So got the International all started up. We're going to move some logs with it. outside. It's Sunday, 60 degrees outside, beautiful day. Got the Jeep in the garage last weekend. Gonna try to do a little bit of work to it. Last night, I went to soak these lug nuts down because I plan on, putting this thing on jack stands and putting new wheel cylinders and whatnot on it. Got the wheel lugs, I should say, sprayed down with some WD-40, and I noticed on the front two, where the valve stem goes in, the wheels are completely rotten. So I think the one on the other side is even worse than that. Yeah, you can see. So not a lot of people sell steel wheels. Got on Facebook Market Group and just so happened to run across a guy that put 4 off of a CJ Jeep, 5 lug. They're 15 by 8. These that are on here I think are 16 by 8. So they said in all those forums that all the Jeep bolt patterns are the same, so I'm going to jack up the Jeep on this side, and I'm going to definitely make sure that they are indeed the right bolt pattern wheels for this Jeep before I start looking at tires. I got some tires in mind, and let's see if one of these fit before I make up my mind about buying them or not. I'll show you what they look like. Alright, this is what the wheels look like. Nothing fancy. I didn't really want anything fancy. Definitely didn't want chrome wheels on it or anything bigger than 16. 8 inches wide, 15 inches in diameter. Should be, like I said, the same bolt pattern. So I'll jack up the Jeep, take one of those wheels off, and see if this fits. Hopefully it does. Now I realize that's kind of jumping the gun in a way, making sure wheels and tires fit on something that doesn't even run. But I just wanted to make sure that if I was looking into 15-inch tires, that I could get 15-inch tires instead of the 16s that were on here. The website that I'm thinking about ordering off of, they have a lot more options for 15s than they did 16s. But even with these being a little bit smaller than the factory size, they don't rub on anything. They look like they'll clear just fine. And it was money well spent. For all 4 wheels, I paid $50 for them. And for steel wheels, that might be a little bit expensive, depending on where you're at. But one thing that helps me out in a way also is that there's no tires on these already, so I don't have to worry about breaking the tires down. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and watching me move those lugs around with the International TD6. That Drott 4-in-1 bucket definitely makes life easy when it comes to moving stuff around. If you would also check out my buddies at Central Oregon Shenanigans and the Fox Shop, their channel links will be in the video description below. But thank you very much for watching this video. If you would, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment or a question down below. Consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.